Application of factoring to solve equations. Question is to solve the following equations. We have got two equations. You can pause the video, copy these questions, solve, and then look into my suggestions. Question is x plus 3 whole square equals to x minus 2 whole square. The second question is x plus 1 whole square equals to x minus 5 whole square. Well, these are very similar questions, so I'll do one of them and request you to do this other one. Okay, that should be fine. Let's try to solve part A, which is x plus 3 whole square equals to x minus 2 whole square. Well, some of you might just square root both sides and try to solve it. Since they are squares, that means x plus 3 should be equal to x minus 2. And if you do that, then you're doing a mistake. Remember that. So caution here is do not square root both sides, right? So a word of caution. Note, do not square root both sides. That is important, right? If you do that, you will incorporate error. Now let me show you the real solution. Now in such cases, what we do is we bring these terms on one side. So we can write this as x plus 3 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square equals to 0. Now this is kind of a good approach. One approach could be that you could expand them, right? You could expand them and then bring all the terms together. That is also a correct way of doing it. But this is preferred approach which takes minimum effort to get the answer. Now we'll apply the factoring techniques learned. And the technique which we are going to use is difference of squares. I hope you remember, if you have a square minus b square, you can always factor this as a plus b times a minus b, right? So think as if this is a and this is b for you. So it is a square minus b square. So we can write this as a plus b. Let me put square brackets. A is x plus 3, right? So we have, let me write x plus 3 as 1, a plus b, which is x minus 2, times a minus b, which is x plus 3 minus x minus 2, right? This is equal to 0. By factoring, we write sum and difference as multiples. Now it becomes easy for us. See how? Now what is this factor? X plus 3 plus x minus 2. X plus x is 2x, right? So we get 2x. And 3 minus 2 is plus 1. So that is the first factor. The second one is x minus x is 0. And 3 minus minus 2 gives us 5. So we get 2x plus 1 times 5 equals to 0. Now when is this equation true? You know, 0 times anything will be 0, right? Therefore 2x plus 1, if that is equal to 0, then we get the right value of x. Now this is 0 when x is equals to minus 1 over 2, correct? So that is our solution for the given equation. X equals to minus half. So that is how you're going to solve the question. So the answer is x equals to minus half. Okay. Now I'd like you to do the second question in the similar way. That is, bring the right side term to the left. So you get a square minus b square. Then apply factoring technique, a plus b times a minus b. Get your answer. You can also expand. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here also x square minus 10x plus 25. Bringing all the terms together, then factoring also will give you the right answer. But these are the best steps to follow. I hope they help. Thank you and all the best.